Okay, man, so welcome to the video 2 of that lesson. And I know that you made it to this point because you got interested in what you saw, right? Okay, now I'm going to tell you that, yeah, sorry that the first video was about looking at the chart, okay, and trying to know exactly why the price goes up and down, okay, and that is what we saw in the first video. Now the second video right here, we're gonna put one indicator right now on this chart to now analyze you the market and let you see what is actually going on. Okay, just pay attention. We're gonna start from the lowest point of this tool, support resistance zone, right? We use 4, right? 4 is what we use here. So let's apply it and see. So as you can see, you see this blue thing that is very small right here. It is the support resistance of this tiny small move right here. You can see as price bounce on this resistance, it went to support. Now what does this mean? If price is on this support, definitely it should go back to create a new resistance. Okay. That is why you see price do things like goes up, goes down. Wait, let us go and use a support resistance, more bigger one. Let's use a more bigger one. Let's use we use 4, right? Let's use 25. And I want to tell you something. Pay attention, please. Pay attention. Look at this moves, the support resistance of this moves. When price touch this resistance, it went to bounce on support. Bouncing on support, it has done up, down, okay, it has gone up and came down, then now it will go up. Let us go and use another one, like let's use now 50. Pay attention, please. Pay attention. I don't want you to feel like you know this thing. There's something I want to bring out for you to see. Now this is 50. Okay, this been 50, the support resistance of this moves. Price, bounce from this resistance, boom, came down, came down, came down to support. And what is going to happen now from this support? Price will go up to go create a new resistance. Okay, let us go again. Let's go again. Let us use support resistance. Let's use the 100. There is a reason why I'm taking it one by one like this. Okay, now look, the 100 period, when price came all the way from this down, bounced on this resistance, went back down, boom, boom, down, 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 down to support. On this support, it does 2 legs. It wants to go up to go and create a new resistance. Now let us go to the real details of what I want to show you. Everything you've just seen is the reason why price will bounce from certain levels. 200. You have seen it properly. Like this type of moves, price have gone down, came up. What is creating that moves is what I just showed you. There is a kind of resistance here, and there is a kind of support here. That is why price do bounce, 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 bounce. And that could either be the major support or minor ones. All the small things you see, they are minor ones, minor, and then when you put all the moves together, it becomes a major one. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Good. We are going to stop on this support resistance 200 level. The 200 period is the one we're going to use for this thing we are building for you. Okay? Now, your mentality about you trading Forex is not like you want to come in front of your chart and become confused. Sorry. You want to sit in front of your chart with confidence and trade exactly the way you set your chart up. You understand? What I realize about Forex is that you're going to be a successful trader. You are the one who's going to set up your trading boundaries. Look at my trading boundaries now. Is this support, resistance, 200 period is my boundary. Which means what? Which means when price touch any of them, price will bounce back. Bounce back to do what? Bounce back to go create the next level. Okay? Regardless of this type of moves that you are looking at, regardless, it is going up. It is going down. One thing I want you to know, when price is separating from upper line, resistance, upper line, okay, price separating from the upper line here, look, what you want to think about is sell is happening. Put your sell and forget it. There's not going to be anything to worry about. Put your sell and forget it. It's coming to touch the lower line. A lot of people, they will put their trade, maybe even from the wrong entry here. When it's going against them, they quickly off it at a loss and run away from it because they don't know what the market is doing. This is the problem that a lot of Forex traders have, because the tool video to help Forex trader is not being put out yet. All you've just seen before now, before you ever saw the first video I put out, there are things to give you maybe a basic knowledge, and a lot are just false and fake. I'm not saying they are fake 100%, but you know, if all those videos are out, and then why are Forex traders still having problems? Because a lot of videos have not explained yet what is the solution to make you become a successful trader. Now, regardless of all these moves, okay, some people teach you double tops. They say when you see a double top, it is going down. Now you will now see a double top right here, and you will take it down, and before you know what, it's gone against you, right? But then that is not the matter. Even if price gone against you, if you did not over leverage or over trade, okay, if price gone against you, price will come back in your favor. It might only take a little time, because your boundary is inside this support resistance 200 level. Even if you make a mistake, price will come in your favor. If you take this double top and you say, okay, it's going down, right? then it went down. Let's say you didn't take your profit. Let's say your profit is here, you didn't take it. Oh, now it rally against you. I know a lot of people will say, it went against me. They will close it at a loss. But look, it will hit it. It came down to give you your profit. Do you see the knowledge and the idea behind Forex? The first thing you need to know about any business you want to go do is how to navigate around that business. Like, regardless of all these moves, understand where is the market going. And I know that this your own support resistance boundary now helps you to understand where the market is going and what you should be looking at. Now look at this example. These moves will touch this support line, and that will be the end of these moves, and these moves will be going up. You see, before it happens, I'm saying it also. Why? Because I know already. You understand? You want to put yourself in a position where you know already before it happens. It's not you want to guess. It's not like it has happened before you knew it. You knew it before it happens. Okay? Because of the support and resistance zone, that is why price is doing this type of things. But what you want to take note of is, where is it going? When it touches this thing now, the one below here, it will separate from it and start going up. Once you have this idea, then I think you have just made your way into making success in Forex. That even when they wake you up from your sleep, you will know exactly what to do. I'm not going to make this video very long. In the next video, I will now tell you how to take advantage of some things to maximize your profit on a day-to-day basis. Okay, that you can make profit on any pair every day. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you, and because you enjoy this video, right, try to, you have gone this far, try to watch the last video, which is the final. By the time you are done with the last video, you would have been set to trade and make profit. Thank you.